Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials because a correct foundation prevents errors later. Log in with your operator account and load the vessel profile so settings match displacement and draft. Once done, confirm ENC or ARC chart availability for your area, then check GPS and gyro inputs to ensure position and heading are live. Make sure power and redundancy rails are normal. This lets you proceed to chart loading and route planning without stopping to troubleshoot basic hardware. You now load the correct chart cells and build the route step by step. Select ENC or ARCs in Chart Manager and update missing cells so the display matches official coverage. Then place waypoints using the Route tool, assign speeds and expected times, and inspect each leg for shallow water or restrictions. Once the route is drawn, apply safety depth and contour thresholds, set CPA and alarm buffers, and verify the path avoids charted hazards. This reduces surprises while underway. You finish by bringing sensors online and confirming overlays for situational awareness. Enable AIS and radar overlay so targets appear on the Ecdis and verify CPA calculations for closest approach warnings. Set required alarms, off-route, shallow depth, anchor watch, and guard zones so the system notifies you of deviations. Save and export the voyage plan, update the passage plan log, and brief the watch. If symbols or positions look wrong, recheck sensor input mappings and restart the sensor service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.